Airplane. An airplane is a fixed-wing aircraft that uses engine to move forward. It has different components such as wing, fuselage, horizontal stabilizer, vertical stabilizer, and landing gear. Let's see one by one. First, wing. An airplane has a static wing and used to create lift. Lift is mainly created due to pressure difference. The air moves faster on the upper surface of the wing and slower in the lower surface of the wing. This pressure difference creates lift. The second one is fuselage. It is an enclosed body that contains passenger, payload, flight crew. Cockpit. Cockpit is the area from which the pilot operates the controls and instruments to fly the plane. The third one is horizontal stabilizer. Horizontal stabilizer prevent unnecessary pitching motion. The fourth one is vertical stabilizer. Vertical stabilizer prevent unnecessary yawing motion. Finally, landing gear. Landing gear support airplane when it is on the ground. It allows the airplane to take off and land safely.